Sharon. I live here with my husband, my daughter Charlotte, and my son Lucas. Hello. I pretty much have an idea of what I want to do with the home. I want a lot of light coming into the home, as well as good ventilation, airflow. And I don't really want to be tied down to a theme per se, because I want it to be timeless and cozy for the family. And once the flooring was done up, everything just pretty much fell in place, because the flooring alone is just beautiful. I just love the color. The whole renovation took about 3 months. Halfway through, I gave birth to Charlotte. So we were having a quite comfortable schedule in terms of meeting Dennis and Sophia to discuss the renovation. It was very smooth. I was very appreciative of Dennis and Sophia, who are very responsive and very responsible. And especially for Dennis, when it comes to some problem, or certain issues that we need to solve, he is really just a problem solver, and he doesn't try to influence me or pressure me into accepting what is done, and he respects our decision. Now that the home is done up, I love every part of it. I love the foyer, the tiles. Sophia has helped me build a very nice shoe cabinet that I can comfortably store my shoes. One of my favorite places is the open concept kitchen, together with the living room. It's a big space, and my children and my family members can spend the time in this area. I think it's perfect. For the wet kitchen, I especially like the white tile backsplash and also the black and white flooring. It gives the kitchen a more modern country feel, as well as it adds on a lot more character to it.
I love my bedroom.
I love his bedroom too. His bathroom used to have 2 points of entry, and I figured that I want to have it as a junior suite, so I closed out one door. The tiles that I've chosen, I was a little bit apprehensive because I find that the color may be a little bit too strong. And Sophia was very helpful. She did a 3D drawing for me, and it gives me a very good idea of how the tiles would turn out in the junior bathroom. I love my master bedroom. It's really such a luxury of space. It's a combination of 2 bedrooms, and I have actually used one bedroom as my master walk-in wardrobe, as well as a master bathroom. It is really such a joy to use it every day. My master bedroom leads out to the open balcony. The view is beautiful, so we would like to bring the nature back into the room, and what we did was we removed the fixed glass panels and replaced them with sliding glass doors. Ironically, the room that gives me the most headache is actually the smallest room, and it is the powder room. And because it's important to me, because my guests will be using it, I would like it to look beautiful. So Sophia has helped me a lot by giving me a lot of ideas, and eventually when I chose the tiles, and she did the 3D drawing, and it just turned out great. From the renovation experience that I have, I would like to share with other homeowners that it is very important to find an ID who listens and who empathizes with you and who can understand what you really want and try to work things out within the budget. I would definitely recommend the Esprit. They have been great. Thank you so much, Sophia and Dennis, for helping me build this beautiful home. This is the very first time I'm renovating my own home, and I'm really so glad I've chosen you. Thank you.